This dance is called Something You Love. It's a 32 counts, 4-wall, high improver level 9 dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1, weight is on the left. Side touch, side together, back. Step right to right side, touch left next to right, step left to left side, step right next to left, step back on left. Back rock, right lock step. Right foot rock back, recover onto left. Right, step, lock, step. Step, half step. Step forward left. Pivot, half turn right. Weight onto right foot, facing 6. Step forward left. Section 2, triple full turn. Half turn left, stepping back on right. Half turn left, step forward on left. Step forward right. Rocking chair, left. Rock forward, recover. Rock back, recover. Step, quarter cross. Step forward left. Pivot, quarter right turn, weight onto right foot. Cross step left, facing 9. Side behind, quarter right, stepping forward on right foot, facing 12. Scuff left forward. Section 3, quarter point. Quarter turn right, side stepping left foot, facing 3. Point right toe across left. Side point. Step right to right side. Point left toe across right. Side rock cross. Rock step left to left side. Recover weight onto right foot. Cross step left. Vine cross. Side behind, side cross. Weight is now on the left. Side touch, right foot to right side, touch left. Left foot to left side, touch right next to left. Section 4, right, forward mambo. Coaster step, left, back together, 4. Step, half step, 2 times. Step forward right, pivot half turn left, weight onto left foot, forward right, facing 9. Step forward left, pivot half turn right, weight onto right foot, step forward left, facing 3. Let's do the dance with counts. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. There's a 4-count tag at the end of wall 1. The tag is stomp right to right side, bumping hips to the right. Stomp left to left, bumping hips to left. Hip bumps, right, left, left. I'm facing 12 now, and the wall 1, I'll be facing the 3 o'clock wall to do the tag with counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we start for wall 2, facing the 3 o'clock wall. During wall 2, there's a restart after 24 counts. You'll be facing 6 to do the restart. Okay, wall 2, 24 counts. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. This is the 24 counts of wall 2. Restart. restart the dance facing 6. That will be wall 3. And wall 3, you'll be facing the 9 o'clock wall. And here is the tag 2. 8 counts, which is tag 1, and then add another 4 counts. Tag 1, bump, bump, hip bumps, right, left, rumba box, side together forward, side together back. Let's do tag 2 with counts. And wall 3 facing 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Then wall 5 starts facing the 12 o'clock wall. Dance up to 20 counts. You'll be facing the 3 o'clock wall to restart the dance. Wall 5, 20 counts. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here is the 20 counts of wall 5. Restart the dance facing 3. Same for wall 8. You will restart the dance after 20 counts. Wall 8 starts facing the 9 o'clock wall. 20 counts. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This is the 20 counts of wall 8. Restart the dance facing 12.